Welcome back to Driveway Party! We're doing valve springs on the shiny cylinder heads. Again?
Like your second episode.
Oh yeah, I know. This is like, I have 10 episodes out, 2 of which are valve springs. Oh well. No pressure. No pressure.
We got pressure. Oh, no
Not enough pressure, that's why we're changing it.
That's what we got. Oh, no pressure.
If anybody's in the market for a valve spring tool, do not buy this one.
At least for LSs.
We're like an hour into this thing. Here.
An hour in and a couple curse words later, I think we got it down.
A lot of 4-letter words.
Couple threes.
All done! You happy?
Yeah, 1 year later.
That legitimately took us, like, how long has it been? 2.5 hours?
Yeah.
Change all these out. We did change the seals and all that, though.
Oh, that's
And the
good.
keepers. So, now what?
Adapter on the block.
Oh, adapter mounts on the block. Brand new ICT billet. Oh, maybe I'll show why.
Here, grab all that.
Where's the block?
The one with the dipstick thing.
Oh, yeah. So, these, let me put this down. These are the block holes where the bolts are supposed to go. And then, as you can see, they don't line up. The aluminum blocks have a bunch of wide holes. This one has 6. So there's adapter plate to make this work. Okay? It's hot.
Yes.
You have the hammer?
Ooh, it's actually might be too hot. I can't even put my finger on it.
Where's the hammer?
Might be too hot.
It'll go. Just think how hot engines get. If it was 200 degrees, you wouldn't be able to touch it. Oh, I leaned it right here. So we heated this
Can't touch it.
harmonic balancer up. What's going on? How far in does the bolt go? Oh, plenty. They're like swimwear.
Trick I've learned is you don't just drive it. You let it find itself.
I think that's about it. So now you have a new bolt to put in. Shiny bolt. So next we need the engine to go in here. But I gotta get out of here soon. So at least the heads are assembled. And you're gonna put the block in without the heads because it makes everything else easy to do, and the heads are fairly easy to put on when they're installed or when the block's already in the car.
The only thing easier to do now is put the crank on. Or the crank pull down.
Yeah, because yeah, you can't.
But it's okay.
You can't swing the hammer when it's in the car without taking the radiator out, which we did not, so it's easier to do it now. That's probably going to be about all that gets done. I'm getting the oil pan and motor mounts off of this block. Kind of rusty.
Shit out the elements.
Yeah. This is why you don't leave stuff outside. So, okay. Look, the engine's in.